Hey, shorty, what's poppin'?
Who you calling shorty? I ain't your shorty. I ain't nobody's shorty. I ain't my
woman,
own shorty.
Woman, chillax.
Woman? What? Oh, you think I'm just like every other woman? Oh.
No, Melissa, please.
Don't talk to me.
Melissa, I'm trying to reason with you now.
What you reason with me? I don't need to be reasoned with. Are you calling me irrational?
Look, I just want to see my kids, that's all, okay? I just want to see my kids.
Your kid? What makes you think your kids? Who had them in their uterus? I did. Who delivered them? I did.
Well, I kinda helped.
Oh, no, you did not.
Hey, if it wasn't for my...
Oh, no, don't you even start. Don't you get those nasty words around me.
What do you mean, no nasty? I just want to see my kids. You know what, Melissa, shut up. Just give me my kids. Wait, Roberto, come to Poppy. Poppy's here. Roberto.
No, you don't go Roberto.
No, he's my son. I want to see my son.
He's not your son.
He's my son. You
know
what?
He's
woman.
Not. Would you listen to me? I had a paternity test. He ain't your child, babe.
You cheat. Get back here, Melissa.
No,
I ain't finished with you yet. You had a... You cheated on me?
Well, who said that?
Oh, how come he's not my son?
Because you have bad sperm.